You will love the features of this 2023 Landrover Range Rover. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. Here is a sublimely crafted, exceptionally capable Range Rover that offers a sumptuous cabin, whisper-smooth ride, legendary off-road performance, and stunningly modern design. To drive it is simply transcendent. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, heated and/or cooled front seats, navigation system, moonroof, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, heated rear seat. Don't miss the chance to drive this powerful and sumptuously appointed Range Rover. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.